Now, we'll be factorizing quadratic equation of the form x squared plus bs plus c equal to 0. So let's get started. For a, we are given that x squared minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now, the idea here is that we are going to look for two integers that their product is equal to the last term, which is a constant term, and their sum is equal to the middle term, which is minus 5. We know that 2 times 3 is equal to 6, but 2 plus 3 is not equal to negative 5. So therefore, we have that minus 2 times minus 3 is equal to 6, and also minus 2 plus minus 3 is equal to minus 5. So at this point, the two integers that their product is equal to 6, which is a constant term, and their sum is equal to negative 5, which is the coefficient of the middle term, is minus 2 and minus 3. So at this point, the equation now becomes x squared minus 2x minus 3x plus 6 equal to 0. So the next step here is to group these terms together. Now, if you look at the first bracket, the common term there is x, so we can factor out x. So we have x, open bracket, x minus 2 minus, also at the second bracket, the common term is 3, so we factor out 3. So we have 3, open bracket, x minus 2 equal to 0. Please take note of the sign that changed, because minus 3 times x is minus 3x, and minus 3 times minus 2 is plus 6. Now at this point, we factor out x minus 2. If we do that, we can combine these terms together. So we have that x minus 3 multiplied by x minus 2 equal to 0. So therefore, this becomes x minus 3 equal to 0, or x minus 2 equal to 0. So therefore, we have that x is equal to 3, or x is equal to 2. So at this point, we have been able to provide the solution for the quadratic equation using the factorization method. Now, let us obtain the solution for number B question. So for B, we are given that t squared minus 5t minus 36 is equal to 0. At this point again, we look at for two integers that when we multiply them, their product is equal to negative 36, and their sum is equal to minus 5. So the two integers are negative 9 and positive 4. This is because minus 9 plus 4 is equal to minus 5, and minus 9 times 4 is equal to minus 36. So at this point, the equation now takes the form. This point here becomes minus 9, and here becomes plus 4. So we have that t squared minus 9t plus 4t minus 36 is equal to 0. So we can group this term, and also we group this term. Now the first bracket, the common term there is t, so we factor out t, open bracket, t minus 9 plus, at the second bracket, the common term is 4, so we factor out 4. So we are left with t minus 9 equal to 0. So at this point, we can factor out t minus 9, and also we can combine these terms together. So we have that t plus 4 multiplied by t minus 9 equal to 0. So therefore, we have it that t plus 4 is equal to 0, or t minus 9 is equal to 0. So we have that t is equal to negative 4, or t is equal to 9. So at this point, we have obtained the values of t.